Hi, and welcome to the February 2019 Bombay and Cedar Premium and Mini Box unboxings. I do both of them for a reason. One is for me, and the mini actually will be presents usually for other people because I have so many friends that are really into like health and wellness and essential oils that it is much easier for me to just order a $30 box and have 5 to 6 gifts to give all of my great friends. Anyhow, before I get started with the unboxing, if you are enjoying watching what I am doing, I would love it if you subscribe down below. Leave me a comment if you'd like me to subscribe back to your channel. I love seeing whatever's out there, and there are so many people out there on YouTube. It's a really good idea for you to let me know that you're out there because I may not be able to find you otherwise. All right, now to the unboxing. Okay, so this month's premium box is a new looking box. It's just pink and white, very simple. Love how it looks. It actually matches my outfit a little bit, which I like. All right, so in this box we have, the theme is indulge. Very nice. I tend to indulge though without being told, so kind of a problem. Probably should. I would probably do better with the detoxify box, but you know what? Cool. They're grooving into the Dina way of life. All right, anyhow, so this is the items this month, and over here you'll see the ones that are available only in the premium box, and you'll see those here along with all of the ones that are in both boxes. And as usual, they just tell you about the feature brand, which is Marrakesh by Earthly Body. Then they have a Revive essential oil blend, which says, which talks about using Dutch lavender, which they include this month, bergamot, and then lemon together. And they say it's uplifting and indulging essential oil diffuser blend. So if you have a diffuser, which if you've been subscribing to boxes like this for a while, or you have the FabFitFun for spring of 2019, they actually included, if you chose that item, the essential oil diffuser. So this might be one that you might be interested in trying. So right there is your little recipe. 5 simple reasons to put yourself first. Not a problem. I try to do that every day. I kind of think I do it enough that I don't ever feel like I'm overwhelmed by work or by things going on in my life. So best way I do it is to take a bath every day, and that's what I give you as my advice, to take a bath every single day, especially if you love them. If you don't love baths, then just take a nice long hot shower. All right, so first in the Indulge box is something that is only available in the premium box, which is this Whiskey Modern Moscow Mule mug, which is copper plated. It's very pretty. So maybe next month, instead of having my tea in a Yeti container, I will have it in a modern Moscow Mule mug. Probably be way more elegant than me drinking out of a Yeti cup, but whatever. Okay, so let's take a look. Although, does it keep the hot liquids hot and the cold liquids cold as long as Yeti? The world may never know, because I probably won't even remember to tell you about it. All right, I don't know. I gotta get my scissors. I don't even see my, oh, there they are. I see my scissors, but I think I can do it without it. You know, Hulk woman making lots of noise. I did it. Excellent. Okay, so the Whiskey Moscow Mule mug. You open it up. At least you know that no one else has gone in here. This is the first person. All right, so all the wrapping, and boy, that is copper. On the inside, it is lined in stainless steel, and it has the cute little emblem on the bottom. I think hold about the same amount of liquid, so I'm good. It's a little lightweight though. It's not quite as intense. Maybe I'll film at night and actually have a Moscow Mule in there. Yeah, that's all I'll do. I'll have an actual Moscow Mule in there. All right, so next up, put it back in here just briefly, just so I have it ready to go. All right, next is, again, in the premium box only, the Minute Mixology single serve cocktail mixers. Well, they heard my plea to have a night filming with an actual Moscow Mule, and it says to add 1 packet of Minute Mixology and 1.5 ounces of vodka and 4 to 6 ounces of soda water. It says it's only 60 calories plus whatever the vodka is, because I'm assuming they're not adding in the amount of calories that are in the vodka. I'm not going to open it up, but I'll show you the front. And it comes with 8 servings. 8 fillings. All right, next is another thing that is only in the premium box, which is this Kitsch Cleanse Ritual Microfiber Hair Towel. And this was spoiled, and I was like, oh yeah, I love palm print. If you watch my last Quirky Crate unboxing, I got palm print socks, and I was just giddy with delight over it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this so much. Anyhow, this is, I cannot wait to use this. Like I said, I take baths every day. And whenever I use my shower, whenever I use shampoo, which is every other day, I always have a nice little hair wrap to use. See, I'm trying to do this without using the scissors. This is not going to work, so just give me 2 seconds. I've got to go get my scissors. Come on, seriously. Thankfully, they're right here. I would prefer to be lazy and not have to do all this work. Well, I do appreciate that they want me to know that it's new and no one has done it and worn it before. Okay, so, all right. So this is like any of those hair towels that people buy. It's got a nice, sparkly pattern, like name tag thing. It's got a copper button to match the copper mug. Okay, so you put this end, kind of, you flip your hair up, and then you swing this thing back like this, and you hook it with the little elastic loop thing. This is beautiful. It's so pretty that I want to bring it to the pool with me and just walk around with a turban on my head and be like, yeah, that's right, I'm bringing the 1960s back. It's 1960s Palm Springs. Thank you very much. Here at Ms. Northern Virginia Community Pool. Anyhow, so really nice, super excited about that. Definitely going to be using that. I think I've said I'm super excited about that about 40 times now, so forgive me. Next is the Smoothing Treatment by Marrakesh Calm. It's an argan and hemp oil therapy. And I now have 7,000 conditioning sprays, so one of these is definitely going to my daughter because she has beautiful long hair. And I will just let her have it, and it smells wonderful, so she'll really like it. And this, by the way, is in both the mini and the premium, so it's very easy for me to give that to her. Here's another one that is in the premium only, and it is called Canelli Live Inspired Bergamot and Neroli Beauty Drops. I love Neroli. I love the way it smells. And it says, our beauty drops facial oil hydrates, brightens, and firms, leaving you with a brighter and balanced skin tone. And it's a pretty little bottle. Wow, I love these bottles. Love it when they take the time to really think about how they wanted to do it. And it's got that dropper that I like, that style. Just smells like regular, your typical like kind of natural skincare smell. And I look forward to using it. I like these types of facial oils because they're usually pretty light oils and they just kind of go on very smooth. And although I use them at night, not during the day, because I prefer not to have a ton of oil on my face during the day. All right, next is the Nib More Traditional Drinking Chocolate. And I will definitely enjoy this. My kids will probably get one and I'll have the other one. I'll have to pick which child gets it because I only have 2. Or maybe I'll split it 3 ways. We have a book called Eat, Drink, and Be Gorgeous, a nutritionist guide to living well while living it up. Considering I live it up, I am happy to have one that tells me some ideas on how not to do it so much that you turn into you turn into some sort of like caricature of yourself with like, you've gained 20 pounds, you're now wearing a robe in public, you're sitting there carrying around water bottles filled with vodka. All right, so it says Vitamin G, Gorgeous Supplements. This is chapter 5, so I just opened it to that page. And this is just, chapter says, in nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. And it just goes on to talk about what type of supplements you might want to do for any specific skin or body issues you might have. So I am going to enjoy this, and I believe there's also one in the mini box, so I will give it to one of my friends who may be seeking a little bit of medium to their overabundance or underabundance, because I have some friends who are underabundant and not overabundant, and I'm happy to give them a little bit of, hey, let's let you go and have some abundance in your life. Next is the Ellie Preston Artistry for Your Lifestyle necklace. This is in both, and oh, this is pretty, and it actually looked really nice with this. I'm going to go ahead and put this on to wear with this particular sweater. I think it's beautiful, and I think it suits the sweater I'm wearing. So I'm going to put it on so y'all can see it. Oh, I like these styles. You know, they're just, you know, it's always nice just to have a little something to wear around your neck. And I wear a necklace every day, so I'm just going to put it on. Okay, here we go. There we are. So, very pretty. I think it suits this neckline very nicely. All right, so, and then last but not least, the thing that some women, myself included, ordered the box for in the first place, which are these essential oils. The bergamot is the green card, and it gives you the information about it. And then we have the lavandin, which now I know means Dutch lavender. Tells what they can be used for. Some benefits of lavandin is fights depression, prevents infection, and some of the benefits of bergamot include releases emotional pain, relieves joint and muscle pain, and aids in digestion system, etc., etc. I actually really like bergamot. I've used that for years, and I love lavender. I didn't know that there was a variety named lavandin. Okay, so this is the bergamot. It smells a little less citrusy than I'm used to it smelling, but it's still a lovely smell. Bergamot, I'm sorry. And then I know that this actually works well with lavender, so I suspect it would work well with Dutch lavender. This is just a more subtle, kind of more of an earthy, greeny smell to lavender, because sometimes lavender is a little bit more floral. This is not quite as floral. This is a little bit more, it smells a little bit more foresty, if that's a thing, which I think it is. All right, so that is the premium box. So go ahead and slide everything back in here as best I can, and then I will go ahead and get out the mini box so you can see that. All right. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that Moscow Mule mug back in, so I'm not going to even try. I'll just put it in my collection of copper things and use it whenever I want to celebrate life with a copper mug and a bunch of vodka and some Moscow Mule mix. All right, so here's the mini box. They're both quite heavy, and I think it is because of the book being hardback. All right, same insert as the last one, so I'm not going to pull that out. The first thing I have here is a much longer necklace by Ellie Preston. It's really pretty, so I'm going to have to pull that out and see what, that's what it has on the bottom. It's like a little stone. I like natural stones, so if it ends up being enough different, I might end up just keeping both. I'll have to see how it looks on me. I'm not quite sure what's going on with this. I'll have to try it on. Kind of an unusual look. It's more unusual. This one's more of like what you would normally see in a necklace. This one kind of looks like it hangs, has like a little bar, two hanging pieces, and then the little stone itself, which is gorgeous, by the way, is kind of the centerpiece. I don't know if you can see that because you probably can see my face, so I'll look down, see if that helps. Anyhow, it's really pretty. So I'll give it a try, see if I like it. If it doesn't suit me, then it will definitely go to our friend. Next up, we have the same two essential oils, so I'm not going to bother pulling them out. But every mini and every premium always get the same essential oils. This one's the same, the Marrakesh Smoothing Treatment. And so just same idea. I think everything else is exactly the same. I think the only thing that was different was the necklace, but just going to pull them out. The Nib More, Drinking Chocolate, and the book, the Eat, Drink, and Be Gorgeous book. So very quick to get through the mini. Lovely items. The mini is worth it. if you don't want to spend as much money, or if you are like me and want to give them as presents, whatever it is that kind of drives you to buying Bombay and Cedar. If you just for whatever reason the premium box isn't working for you, the mini is a great alternative. All right, well, I hope to see you all next month for the March 2019 Bombay and Cedar unboxing, and I hope you all have a lovely time, and I will see you soon.